Butterfly Kiss and I, we go way back. This longtime favorite and bestseller has a new twist. I'm excited to introduce the rechargeable Butterfly Kiss Flutter by Cal Exotics. I'm Dr. Jill, sexologist and longtime fangirl of the OG Butterfly Kiss. The features that make this vibe so popular and iconic are still here, like a cute, welcoming design that is especially friendly to vibrator beginners, and a curved, flexible shaft that bends and moves with you for perfect alignment to hit the area known as the G-spot. And the rechargeable Butterfly Kiss Flutter has a ton more mouth-watering pleasure features to fangirl over. Sensual silicone, USB rechargeable, 10 intense functions of vibration, an extended clitoral teaser with stimulating wings and antenna that flutter so fast it's a blur, dual motors so you can vibe to both the shaft and the amazingly powerful clit fluttering. As if I didn't already love the Butterfly Kiss enough, this is my new fave.